It did it!
Ding, 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 ding.
There it goes.
Anyway, this thing is a blast. The last time before we upgraded the exhaust to the SBP expansion chamber kit, they no longer make this kit. They don't make this kit no more. You can't find these anymore. Well, this one comes around the front of the frame, you see? Now, a lot of the other ones, they come up and around, or they go up and down. But we got rid of it, and it's upwards, so that we got this area clear down in this area. Two-stroke motor, got the clutch, rebuilt clutch, all that good stuff. We have also retuned the jets. We went to a 71 size on the jet and leaned it out a little bit on the throttle pin. So that gave it a little bit more oomph at the low end, and that's what we were looking for, was a little bit more low end boost because of the way the expansion chamber works. It's on sonic, like the when it goes bang inside, the sound comes in, and when it reflects, it recompresses the pipe so that the fresh gas that comes in, the fuel air mixture that comes in, doesn't just go straight out the exhaust. It actually helps compress the cylinder more, so it's an added boost of anywhere from 10 to 20% depending on how you have it tuned. But we've also got our handy dandy mirrors. You want to see them? And we've got UPS on it. We've got a fender kit. Now on the other side, I'll show you this gear set. Now normally these 8090 motors, they come with a 40 tooth main gear in the back. This is a 44. It gives it a little bit more power at the low end and allows the motor a little bit more time to get those high revolutions building. And before we put the tuning kit on for the exhaust, I got 37 miles an hour out of it. And that was just gas, no nitrous, nothing. Just with the exhaust change, I can tell that it's running a lot better. A lot better. And after we retune the carb, it's just a huge difference. We got the upgraded racing clutch in it. Because the original ones, they tend to slip a lot. Like if you give it a lot of power, the original clutch will slip a little bit, and because of the spring inside isn't as strong. And with this one, it comes with an upgraded spring, and the clutch plates are a different material, so they actually work better. And it works great. And but yeah, I'm gonna get out here and hopefully not kill myself on a speed test. Make sure that you like, comment, share, subscribe, or don't. It's all good. Yeah, and we have a Patreon, aka Pigeon Kicker for the Patreon, if you want to help support us with crazy shit like this. So let's see how it runs first. Okay? Okay. We turn on the fuel valve and see what happens. Shall we?
Yep. See what fucking happens. Shit.
Whoa! You recorded that when I almost hit this pole?
Yeah, I did.
Gotta go on the street. I'm having a hard time pedaling. I'm an old man. I have that old fucking man syndrome. Alright. Come on. Stop laughing at me. Gotta let it warm up for a minute. This thing's more than fun, dude.
It is.
It is, man. Was it spinning the tire back there, or?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. This thing is fun, dude. So, the gazillion horsepower bike. We gotta get rid of these branches, don't we? You gotta break them down. Maybe I can run over them a couple times and snap them. Should I try? Yeah?
Yeah, that's right.
I gotta get it started again.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
I love it. Let me try it again. Spin out?
Yeah,
Right.
try it again.
Yeah?
Yeah, fuck
Try
yeah,
it
try it
one
again.
more?
Yep.
Alright. Oh, I smashed the worm.
Mm-hmm.
I killed the worm. I'm sorry, Mother Nature. Yeah? Oh. Woo. Left rubber. Look at it. I left rubber. That's awesome. Remember, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, or don't. It's all good. And you can always support us on Patreon if you want with crazy shit like this that we try and do. And because we're probably going to break something, it's undoubtedly we're going to break something. So, peace. We got to think of a name for this thing, everyone. So, let us know. Right on.